We've decided to take part in the Hunt Library's CodeArt contest for our project this semester. The contest is about creating generative art to be displayed on a large screen above the Ask Us desk in the library. The idea is that it's a data-driven dynamic animation that is self-sufficient and can be left without any external input for long periods of time. Our view of the project was of essentially a data-driven screensaver that is pleasing to watch for short periods of time and portrays some meaningful information to a user passing by. We were told it is unlikely that anyone would spend too much time staring at the screen. What we came up with was an idea of using animated triangles, and later other shapes, to portray some impression of the weather in a location. The default location is Raleigh, North Carolina. The color scheme of the shapes moving about is determined by the current temperature. The background color is determined by the position of the sun in the sky, relative to the sunrise and sunset. It is black between sunset and sunrise, and white at the sun's highest point, with shades of gray throughout the day. The shapes are to add visual interest, so the shape chosen is random. The page will refresh itself every 60 seconds to choose a new shape. All this weather data comes from the simpleweather.js library, which is a very lightweight library that has all sorts of weather data. We only really got into sunrise, sunset, and temperature at this stage, but our plans include to have animation speed vary based on wind speed and have some representation of the current weather conditions. The animation is done through the power of the Ivan K library, which has robust animation capabilities based on Flash animation through ActionScript 3. We originally used 2.js but ran into large problems with performance. This library boasts being the fastest rendering library for animated 2D shapes.